Hello and welcome to Jeenath Tech YouTube channel, and today we're gonna talk about how to make animations in Film Express. So HitFilm Express is a program that you can make YouTube videos and movies. You can. It's a program that you can edit videos on. There's a lot of free tutorials in YouTube, and today we're gonna talk about how to make animations from them. So let's see. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's jump into how to make it. Okay, so I guess you can see my screen, and this is the HitFilm Express. And first of all, you have to activate the program, and you have to, if you don't activate or install, you cannot do this. You can also do it in HitFilm Pro, but there would be some differences, or I won't gonna go the hardcore here. So first of all, you have to click new right here, and then you have the settings right here, and you have to do it 1080p. So this is good. Rendering is the how to render. This is you don't want to change all it. So you have to click here, and then we're gonna go to the okay. So now we are on here, and then first of all you have the media. So I have my media over here. It's HitFilm. So to animate, you couldn't animate in the editor. This thing you cannot edit here. Instead, you have to make a new composite shot. So right here, and you have to click the composite shot, and I can make it animation, and then from here you click here, and then go and place it here, and then so this is, you see it has been here. This is actually the viewing on here. It doesn't viewing on here. So for that, we are gonna add the video, or the video to here, and then it's here. So then we're gonna do that and go to animation, and then to animate anything you can click here, transform, and then here is all of the things. So actually in HitFilm Express or other video editors, animating is called keyframe. If you like see anything in HitFilm Express saying keyframing, it's mostly need to be going through it, need to be about animate. So first of all, to animate anything, you should want, there's 5 things, and you have anything, you can do it anyway. So now you have no animation, so we have to rotate. So to rotate, you have this thing, you can rotate. So let's, for the beginning, now here is good. Now to first of all, the animation need to have a beginning and end. You can also add other things between them, but the most for animation, the beginning and the end is mostly really it's pretty useful for. So first of all, we have to get it rotate. So let's make a beginning to rotation. So here I click here, now it's click, and you see it's here. After that, you have to get to where you need to be ended. I'm here, not at the, you don't want to add to the very end. It's good to add somewhere near the end, so your viewers can watch where it ends. And then after that, in here you have to rotate to where your thing need to be. So my one is like this, and you see it's actually a very simple way of doing. If you make a mistake, you have to delete that thing and need to make it all together. So I'm mostly good with this, and it's good. And then you see it's Anyway, so let's see in the main editor to see how it looks like. So this is actually a bit slow actually, but there's a tool called rate stretch tool, or you have to press S in your keyboard, and then what it can do is when you minimize this, it will gonna get faster. It's a bit faster. Still it's slow. So I get this thing. This is just start doing it up. So now it's like, and if you make it like very large, it make it pretty slow. Like you see, it's like barely moving, and it's pretty. And when you make it larger with the stretch tool, it will gonna make the video slower, and if you make it, will gonna become very fast. Not very fast, but somewhat fast. This is like fast. So kind of like that. So that's for rotation that you can do anywhere. Like for scale, I want this scale like this, and then when I get to here, I want it to be larger like this. Then if I see back on the here, you see it's more getting larger, and then it stops. So it's a bit hard to see, so I will then make it like this, and then not very slow, and you see it's like getting bigger and bigger, and finally it's just ends left. And then you see you can also do it for position. So if I want to be at the middle and then go to a different place, like here, when I move to here, you can do that also. So and then it's here, gets to here, and so it's here, and you can see it. You see it's like coming to here, like making it larger and larger. So it's kind of like it's coming nearer. So that's pretty good. And then it stops moving, but it's making larger and rotates. And you can also do it. I don't know what this anchor point thing means, but I know opacity. Opacity means like the thing that's when I this is actually at 100. If I add to 0, it will become like you cannot see that HitFilm Express icon. When you add 100, you can see the HitFilm Express icon very clearly. So what you can also add for that. So if I want when I'm here, I have to add the opacity of 100. When I hit the end, I want it to be 0. Actually not the end, but actually like here. So now if I see it, so it comes here, our position animation, and then we're gonna start moving, and it will gonna merge and CBS magic like. So kind of cool. So I hope this is a very short video actually. So this is how you make animations in HitFilm Express. So it is very easy, and so actually the way to make animations is to make these keyframes that make your the main character, the main thing move, the thing that you want to move. So for example, for this thing, I want to move this HitFilm Express icon, and we're gonna go here and go to here. So kind of cool. So that's how you make animations in HitFilm Express. So I hope you will enjoy. So be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and share this video also to someone who is learning HitFilm Express. And so if you like, so bye. I will come back in another video. So bye.